If you want to invest your money without interest, come closer. Sukuk is one of the most interesting ways to invest your money, especially if you want to avoid interest. Let me explain how it works. Welcome to Halal Money series. Imagine the government or a big company want to build something, a road, bridges, or any infrastructure edifice. Instead of going to the bank to take loan with interest, they reach out to everyday people like you and me and say, invest in this project, I will give you what it earns. That's Sukuk. That's basically an investment certificate backed by real assets, not a loan, not interest. You own a piece of real assets and you earn from what that thing produces. Think of it like this. You know how people do enjoy, susu, or contribute money together to buy land? That's how Sukuk works, but it's more structured and regulated. It is fully non-interest, backed by real assets, and it is open to everyone. Now you know what Sukuk is. Follow Ethical for more.